Hello again, this is DAF host, and I'm going to show you our new product, which is hospital management system. This system is very friendly using, and we are going to give you complete help to make sure it will help you to manage patients and departments and doctors and so many things you can do here. And it will have admin panel, control panel, it will have moderator, secretary, like it will manage. You have here so many things, doctors list, and you have schedule, you have patients, a lot of things. I'm not going to charge you much for this. We are charging only 25,000 rupees for full 1 year, and that too you will be getting support from us anytime. You will be getting complete website for your hospital or clinic free of cost, including in that price. And you will be getting also marketing package, which is normally cost around 10,000 rupees. Also, it will be included in the package, so you don't need to pay for everything separately. It's only 25,000 rupees for full 1 year, and you don't need to pay again the same amount next year. The renewal is only 2,000 rupees, and after that nothing else. We are not going to charge you anything. I hope you like the system, and this is just small presentation about the hospital management system by DAFhost.com. Thank you so much.